From the Bob Mills Weather Center, meteorologist Aaron Reeves.
Well, things not too bad right now. Mid-40s in Tulsa, cold in Bismarck, but I mean, they're -3 a lot in the winter. As we look further north, it gets really cold. We're talking -30 to -40. That's that Siberian Arctic air mass that's eventually going to surge our direction. In the meantime, at least today and tonight, we're going to stay fairly mild. We're watching a storm system, a fast mover, come in from the southwest, right now around Amarillo over towards western Oklahoma, moving off to the east and northeast. And as we head into late tonight, early tomorrow morning, that's going to provide some precipitation for northeast Oklahoma, generally in the form of rain, but some of that could briefly change over to or mix with snow. Right now, no major impacts expected with this, but if places do get a bit more snow, we could briefly see a slick spot or two on an elevated roadway surface, mainly bridge or overpass. And those would be isolated, and it wouldn't last too long because temperatures are quickly going to warm up as this rolls by. Then our big surge of Arctic air arrives Thursday. It'll be windy, very cold. Those temperatures will drop really fast, likely into the single digits by late Thursday. And then snow showers will move through with and behind that boundary as well, and we'll be dealing with that. So plummeting temperatures Thursday morning into the afternoon hours. Dangerously cold temperatures will be accompanied with this front. Winds gusting 25 to 45 miles per hour. That'll give us wind chills mainly by late Thursday night into Friday morning in that -15 to -30 range. And once again, there will be a good chance for snow showers with this. And there is the possibility of accumulating snow. Right now, kind of early to pinpoint where and how much. But right now, those totals look like they would be on the lighter end, maybe in some locations in that 1 to 3, maybe as high as 4-inch range. And that's what we're looking at right now, and it would likely be blowing around with all this wind. So plan ahead, get ready for the big time cold weather. That's really the big story out of this, is just the dangerously cold temperatures. Get those blankets and coats, just pack extra in the car in case you get stuck or broke down. Take care of the pets and animals, make sure there's a warm place for them, and prepare those outdoor pipes and faucets to make sure they're ready to go as well. Little to no chance of precipitation as we look towards Christmas Day. There's a low chance of there being a white Christmas, and that would largely depend on what happens Thursday. And then temperatures near 30, so temperatures will gradually start to warm up after about 4 or 5 really cold days. But that's going to be the time Sunday afternoon that we start seeing things change for us. There's tomorrow morning storm system. That quickly zips out of here. Late in the week, here comes that surge of Arctic air, bitter cold temperatures, a few snow showers with that as well. That leaves, but the cold air sticks around. Here we are Friday, bitterly cold. Saturday, still dealing with cold. And then notice as we head to Monday, we start to see ridging build back in from the southwest. That will finally bring us a little bit warmer weather. In the meantime, though, we're going to be preparing for a really big time cold blast. 45 currently, south wind at 9. Dew point at 23. 40s across most of the state. Far northeast Oklahoma has dropped into the 30s, and future view shows that rain moving in late tonight. Notice most of it in liquid form, but early on around 4, 5, 6, 7, we could see a brief changeover or mixing with to some snow. But notice those temperatures low to mid 30s, so around to above freezing. So that's going to help us out. And then south winds stick with us tomorrow afternoon. We'll warm into the mid 40s. Then going beyond there, there's that big chance of snow heading into early Thursday. We dry out after that. Can't rule out a flurry maybe Saturday, and then that big time blast of really cold air. But notice as we get into the weekend, those temperatures slowly start to moderate, and I think by the time we get into the last week of December or the 1st of January, things will be in a better spot. We'll start to warm up as we trend towards some warmer weather. Here's a look at your extended forecast, putting it all together. Once again, showers likely tomorrow, maybe a mix. Big time Arctic blast as we head into Thursday. That will be accompanied with some snow. Right now, once again, that will be on the lighter end. The bigger story is the Arctic cold. That's your forecast. Now on over to sports.